Ready to unlock a world of anime without the payment hassle? First, make sure you have the Crunchyroll app downloaded on your iPhone or iPad. If not, head over to the App Store and get it installed. Once it's installed, open the Crunchyroll app and tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right of your screen. This takes you to the part where you can control your account, then tap My Account. Look for the membership plan section. In that section, you will see a subscribe button. Tap there to see the Crunchyroll membership plans. Alright, you should now see all the different Crunchyroll premium plans. Choose the plan that fits best for you and tap on it. Now this is the magic. Apple Pay should pop up automatically. Verify your payment information, either your card details or through Face ID or Touch ID to confirm your payment. And that's it. You're now a Crunchyroll premium member. You can now enjoy ad-free anime and have access to their full media library. Enjoy and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more anime tips and tricks.